Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the deep end of a pool filled with AI, legal jargon, and a whole lot of groundbreaking innovation. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's talk about the future of law. AI attorneys. First off, let's set the scene here. Picture your typical courtroom drama. There's a prosecutor, a defense attorney, and a stern-looking judge presiding over it all. Now throw in an AI attorney into the mix. No, it's not a robot wearing a suit. It's an advanced piece of software capable of analyzing data, identifying patterns, making predictions, and even helping with decision making. Now, where does one find information about these digital barristers? We're talking reputable sources like the American Bar Association journal Law Technology Today, Legal Tech News, Artificial Lawyer, and even Law 360. These publications are packed with insights on how AI is revolutionizing the field of law. But what are the benefits of AI in legal practice? You've got improved legal research workflows, efficient document analysis, smart chatbots for client interaction, and much more. It's like having a super efficient paralegal who doesn't need coffee breaks, but it's not all rosy. With AI, there are ethical concerns, potential biases, and the fear of job losses. Imagine AI systems making biased decisions because they were trained on biased data. It's like teaching a parrot to swear and then expecting it to deliver a motivational speech. That's why case studies of AI attorney implementations are so crucial. They help us identify trends, potential pitfalls, and areas of improvement. They're like the instruction manual to building a successful AI attorney. And we're not just talking about the economic impact here, like job demand and salaries, but also about the social impact, especially on marginalized communities. Our AI attorneys can't be blind to societal biases, so our research delves deep into investigating methods to reduce bias in AI systems, creating a more inclusive and accessible legal system. Because at the end of the day, justice is for all, right? And while we're building our super AI attorney, we need to be mindful of the regulatory landscape as well. We need to understand the current state of AI attorneys, the future developments, and the regulations that governments are developing to address these ethical challenges and potential biases. What does the future hold for AI in the legal profession? More importantly, how do we navigate job losses and shifts in job responsibilities? Can AI truly improve access to justice? Or are we opening a Pandora's box of legal and ethical conundrums? These are the questions we're trying to answer. Hey folks, you're still with me? Great, because we're just warming up. Now, if you're anything like me, and let's hope for your sake you're not, you're wondering, oh, what does the future hold for AI in the legal profession? So grab your crystal balls or just your regular spectacles and let's take a peek into what tomorrow might bring. Picture this, an AI attorney named Robo-Rumpole. Yeah, I know, I've got a flair for naming. So Robo-Rumpole is preparing to enter the courtroom. But wait, there's no dramatic swinging of the court doors, no hushed whispers. It's just typing away in a server room, preparing its argument, running thousands of case scenarios in milliseconds. But then a thought bubble, or more accurately, a data packet pops up. Am I going to replace human jobs? Trust me, Robo-Rumpole, no one wants to take away jobs. What we're envisioning here is not the eradication of human jobs, but a shift in responsibilities. Instead of sifting through mountains of paperwork, legal professionals could focus on the human aspects of law, of empathy, moral judgment, emotional intelligence. You know, the stuff that doesn't compute in binary. That's not to say we won't see job losses. It's a legitimate concern. Like, can AI handle a horde of newly unemployed lawyers with a grudge? Let me tell you, you don't want to face a lawyer with time on their hands and a bone to pick. Trust me, I've seen it, and it's not pretty. Now imagine, Robo-Rumpole is on the case, ready to improve access to justice. It's working round the clock, tirelessly fighting the good fight. And here's the kicker. It can do so for everyone. No hour-long waits on hold. No fees that make your wallet cry. AI could democratize access to legal advice. But hold your horses, or rather, your circuits. With great power comes great responsibility, and with AI and law comes a Pandora's box of ethical conundrums. If an AI attorney makes a mistake, who's responsible? The programmers who coded it, the legal firm that uses it, or do we hold a trial for the machine itself with a jury of its laptop peers? And we haven't even touched on the biases yet. I mean, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Feed it skewed data and you get a skewed AI. Now imagine that AI representing you in court saying, my client is guilty because all the crime dramas I was trained on showed that the nervous ones did it. Whoa, we can't let that happen. So folks, the future of AI in law is a fascinating blend of potential, promise, and pitfalls. It's a sitcom with a laugh track that sometimes sounds like nervous laughter. And in the sitcom, we're all part of the cast, and we need to ensure it's a show we'd want to watch. But hey, I'm just a humble YouTuber spinning yarns about Robo Rumpole and his digital buddies. So remember to take everything with a pinch of salt and maybe consult a real human lawyer now and then, okay? Till next time, keep laughing, keep questioning, and remember, no AI can beat your uniquely human sense of humor. Not yet, at least. See you in the next one.